This one here, Kong. So last meeting, we started this one. So can you please read our topic, Kong?
Geometry.
Geometry. Are you familiar with this word?
Yes.
Yes. So do you have any idea what is geometry?
No.
No. Okay. Have you ever heard it in your school?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have some idea if what are the things that we can learn in geometry?
No.
No? Okay. So let me show you. Let me show you a picture. This one. This one over here. So, can you tell me now if what are the things we can learn in geometry?
Shape.
Good job. So, when we say geometry, Kong, it is a branch of mathematics that deals with shapes like this one. And as you can see, there are different sizes over here. Right?
Yes.
Different sizes. Yeah, so we're also going to learn different sizes in geometry. And then the space of each one, like it involves the studying of lines, the angles, this one, the lines over here, and the angles of each shapes. So can you tell me the names of these shapes, Kong? This one, what is this?
Triangle.
Good job. It's a triangle. Okay, good job. Next one. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, this one.
Round.
This one?
Round.
Round. Okay, round or what else? Or?
Circle.
Okay, how about the blue one? This blue shape. What is this?
It's a is
started with letter S.
X.
Yeah, this shape started with letter S. What could it be, Kong?
Square.
Square. Okay, good job. How about this one? What is this?
It's a rectangle.
Good job. It's a rectangle. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna write rectangle over here. Okay. So how about the other one? This one first. This one, the blue one over here. What do you call this one? This one.
Is
similar. It has a similar shape with square. Yeah, good job. It's what again? One more time. Say it again. It's
a cube.
Sounds correct.
Cube.
But yeah, this one. Can you tell me the spelling?
C-U-B-E.
Okay, so this one, Kong, we call it cube. Can you say it again?
Cube.
Cube. Okay. Cube. Okay, good job. How about this one over here?
What?
This one.
I don't know.
I know you have heard this word, but you may not know that this one is that name. For example, you're eating an ice cream. Let me show you. This is an ice cream. Okay. This one, an ice cream. So what do you call this one over here, Kong? This part over here. In English. It started with letter C.
Is it cone?
Good job. Good job. It's a cone. Okay, so now you know that this shape is a cone. How about this one? It started with letter P.
P is
Do you know this shape, or should I tell you what is it? What it is? Kong?
is
It's okay, this one. We call this one Kong prism.
okay.
Can you say it again? Kong prism.
Prison.
Okay, good job. How about this one over here? This one. Do you know what it is? What is it, Kong?
Is cylinder.
Good job. It's a cylinder. Okay. How about these two shapes over here? This one. The color violet one. What do we call this one? It has a similar shape with the square and the rectangle, but it has a different name. Okay, we call this one Kong. This one, can you please read it?
Rhombus.
Yeah, rhombus. Okay.
Yes.
How about this one, the green color one? Started with letter T. What do you think it is?
Is T is
Okay.
soy.
Trapezoid. Okay, good job. Let's put it in as a trapezoid. Okay. Good job, Kong. So, can you please read number 1, Kong?
Look at the sandcastle. Circle the shapes you see.
One more time. Circle the shapes. Can you say the word shapes again, Kong?
Shapes.
Yeah, good job. Shapes. Okay. So let's try to read. Wait a minute. No. Let's try to look at the sandcastle over here. This one. Okay, sandcastle. It says here, circle the shapes you see in the sandcastles, Kong. Let's circle it. Tell me the names of the shapes that you can see in the sandcastle.
I see the cylinder.
Cylinder, you can see a cylinder. Okay, so let's put a circle. Wait a minute. Okay, cylinder, circle. Okay, good job. Next, what else?
A cone.
One more time, say the word again. Cone.
Cone.
Okay, good job. Next, what else?
Let's see. A prism.
A prism. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, okay, this one. Yeah, I can also see it. Okay, next, what else?
A rectangle.
A rectangle? Prism and rectangle is a bit similar, so we can also see it in the sand castle. What else?
A cube. A cube.
One more time, let's say it again. Cube.
Cube.
Okay, one more time. Cube.
Cube.
Okay, good job. What else? Is there more? How about this one? Haven't you seen a triangle in the sand castle?
And triangle is the triangle is.
Can you also see triangle in the sand castles?
No, I see the I see a flag next to the castle.
A flag, yeah. So that's the triangle shape over there. Is that all, Kong?
Yes.
I think there's no circle in the castle. I can see it. How about square? Can you see a square shape in the castle?
No.
How about the trapezoid? Can you see a trapezoid shape in the castle?
No.
And how about rhombus?
No.
Okay, good job, Kong. Let's say the shapes again, Kong. Let's start with this one, cube.
Cube.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Cone.
Cone.
Prism.
Prism.
Round or circle.
Round or circle.
Square.
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rhombus.
Rhombus.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
Okay, good job, Kong. Now let's move to our next activity, which is, can you please read number 2, Kong?
Look at the sandcastle. Color the different shape.
Color the different shapes. So I think I need to send this one to you, Kong. And this will serve as your homework. Is it okay?
Yes.
Because I think this should be done by you. Okay, so I'm just gonna send this one, Kong, okay? And you can send it to me later or tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
Okay, good job, Kong. It says here, draw a sand castle using the following shapes. So I think it still need to be as your, this one will be your homework also, because you can, I don't know how will I gonna make you to join my, what they call this one, class in. So I think this will also be your homework. Is it okay, Kong?
Yes.
Yeah, this one is easy. I know this will just gonna be so easy for you. So it's okay. You can send your homework tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
Even if we don't have class tomorrow, so that I can check. Okay, Kong. So, our next one over here is, can you please read it, Kong?
Hans, statistics, data analysis, and probability.
Okay, are you familiar with these words, Kong?
Yes.
Are you familiar?
Yes.
Are you familiar with these words? Okay, so what do you think is statistics, Kong?
I think it's the
Statistics is the okay, so when you heard the word statistics, okay, so when we say statistics, Kong, it helps us make sense of numbers and data. Yeah, by using various methods. Yeah, to find patterns, trends, and insights. Wait, teacher will gonna write what statistic means, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So when we say statistics, this one. Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna write it over here. Okay, Kong. This one, Kong. Oh, I'm sorry, it's so small. Wait a minute, I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, so can you please read this one, Kong?
Statistics is a branch of mathematics that involves collecting, analyzing,
Analyzing. Can you say it again?
analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data.
Data.
Okay,
that's good. How about data analysis, Kong? Have you ever heard the word data analysis?
Yes.
Yes?
No.
No, not yet. Yeah, I think these words are really hard. Like, I think this word, you can only encounter these words when you're going to be a high school student or maybe in college also. So this one, Kong, can you please read this one over here?
Statistics?
No, not yet. Wait a minute. This is still statistics. Okay, let me show you the data analysis. Because we are already in data analysis. This one, Kong.
Data analysis is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision making.
Okay, so in other terms, Kong, in other terms, like it's about taking raw data and turning into meaningful insights. Yeah, that can help us answer some questions, that can help us solve some problems, or can guide us through our actions. Okay, so next one, Con, is, what's the next one over there? It's probability. Do you have any idea, Con, about probability?
No.
No. Okay, wait a minute. Teacher, we're going to give you the meaning of probability. So this one is really, really hard, but we're going to understand as we go through to this topic. Okay, this one, Con, can you please read the probability?
Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with the likelihood or chance of different outcomes happening.
Outcomes happening. Yeah, it helps us, like this one, Kong, probability, it helps us predict how likely it is for a specific event to occur. Like for example, Kong, if you're going to play, what's your favorite games, Kong?
My favorite game. My favorite game is a coin master.
What else? What is it?
A coin master.
Coin master.
Yes.
How should you win that? How can we say that you win that game already, Kong?
No.
No. How can we say like you're gonna earn a lot of coin?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, let's use coin. For example, Kong, wait a minute. Let me find, like for example, this one. Let's say this is the coin over here. Wait a minute. I'm gonna draw a coin, this one. Do you have a coin with you, Kong?
Yes.
Yeah, so in coin, Kong, we have this what we call head and tails, right?
Yes.
Head and tails. So the front view of the coin is what we call head, and the back view of the coin is what we call tails. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So if we flip a coin, probability can help us determine if how many percent or how many percent of chances that it will be head or tail. So in short, probability is possibility. Chances. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I think we really need to make simple examples for this, Kong. So this one over here. Wait a minute. I will gonna look for another examples, Kong. Okay, this one. Okay, so next meeting, Kong, we're gonna answer these activities over here, and I will gonna also give you some simple examples about statistics, data analysis, and probability. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so next meeting, Kong, we're gonna answer this one over here. And I'm gonna send your homework, okay?
Yes.
Okay, Kong, thank you so much for listening to teacher today. See you again on Wednesday.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Kong. Good night.